Today we will show you a unique island experience here in the Philippines. This is Daroccotan Island, just off the mainland of North El Nido. We'll be staying in this beautiful beach hut which is just behind me. I am so excited to show you around the Isla Experience.
To get here, we rode a motorbike from El Nido town to Tinigiban port. Shortly after that, we got on a 10-minute boat to this amazing island.
So when we arrived, we were given a welcome drink and we have just been shown to our room. So I'm going to take you up there now and hopefully Zara's there to show us where we will be staying tonight. So I'm coming up the stairs.
There you are, guys. Let me do a little quick room tour in our amazing beach hut. Look at this, amazing. So we have got 3 beds actually. So we got 1 double bed, 1 single, and then another single just over here. But there's also other mattress on the side, like we got 3 more mattresses. I think you can fit in another double bed here, to be honest. And then look at this view. Oh. Just imagine waking up in the morning for the sunrise and then you just see this. Wow.
This place is honestly stunning. The beaches is beautiful, the sand is soft, and the water is blue. What more could you want? There's definitely something special about this island that I've not seen in any other island. I thought I'd seen all the bluest water, and although there is still water just as blue as this, I've never seen this kind of color before. It's like a really buzzing electric blue, almost like Gatorade, but slightly lighter. And it's just stunning. It's a really, really, really nice place.
Alright, so we are now heading to the beach right in front of our beach hut. There's actually another beach and it looks amazing. It looks beautiful, guys. Like, I've never seen that type of color, and it's a good thing, guys, that the sun has actually came out, because the past few days that we have been here in Palawan, it has been gloomy.
The sand's soft.
Oh, is it?
Oh,
wow.
the sunglasses.
Oh my god. Just look at that, guys. Ah, this is what you call an island experience. Away from everything, away from the town, and you just got your own island. There's hardly any electricity. The type of electricity they use is solar panels, which is so good, and it's just so remote.
I love it. And like, just look at the coconut trees.
Yeah, the coconut trees are amazing.
Paradise.
Whoa.
I want to bring my mum and dad here.
Oh.
So there's actually quite a lot to do here, guys. You can go snorkeling, and by the way, there's actually a shipwreck that you can see here, which is awesome. I can't wait to check that out in a minute. There's also plenty of swings like this to just chill at. There's a restaurant where you can have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and of course drinks. And there's hammocks, there's volleyball. You can also just stroll around the island. There's lots of different beaches, patches of just coconut trees, and then I think there's some activities in the evening, but we'll see about that later. This place is honestly just an island paradise. When I think of an island, this is exactly what I picture in my head. Oh, so nice. Wow, incredible. Needs some sunglasses. Wow, let's go snorkeling. Woo! The snorkels are included, by the way, so
yeah,
they got you covered. Let's go. Let's langoy. Ready? Alright, so we finished snorkeling. The shipwreck was actually sick.
It was so good, but if only the visibility was a bit better. So we're probably going to do it again tomorrow morning.
I think so. Yeah, for some reason it was a little bit like murky.
There were loads of fishes though, wasn't there?
Yeah, and it was amazing, honestly. But now we're just getting ready for sunset. The sun has already started setting, and we're just chilling out, waiting, seeing if the sky pops tonight.
We haven't had a good sunset yet.
No, the weather recently has been a bit very cloudy, so, but it's not that cloudy at the moment, so we may be in for a sunset.
Maybe.
So fingers crossed, guys, cross your fingers. So we've got some turon, guys. Turon is my favorite. It's basically deep fried banana in like the same kind of pastry that lumpia or spring rolls is made in. So good with sugar. 10 out of 10. Better on an island as well.
We have white noodles, we call here pancit guisado in Philippines. And we have a vegetable fried, it's pumpkin and carrots, this one. And Greek salad again.
Alright guys, so we're just having dinner now. There's actually quite a lot of menus. There's so tonight we've got chicken kebab, we've got pancit, we've got vegetable patty, and some mixed vegetables with some, what's that seasoning? It's a Filipino seasoning. I think they just put in like vinegar. I think it's just vinegar and then mixed with like cucumbers, lettuce and that. And then of course, rice is life. Kain na.
Kain na.
Good morning guys from Isla Experience. Like, look at this. Imagine waking up to this view. Oh my god. But anyway, we had breakfast here this morning. So there was pancakes, rice, omelets and some stir-fried vegetables. So I think the game plan today is, because today is our last day here and we'll be leaving around 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So they will drop you off back to the port and you can either bike back or you can get a van and organize it from here, and then they'll take you straight back to the mainland in Nido town. But anyway, since yesterday the water wasn't as clear when we went snorkeling, I'm gonna try and do it again and see how it is down at the shipwreck. So let's go. Alright guys, so I just got back from snorkeling. It was still a bit murky. I wouldn't say it's dirty, it's just like, it's the sand. Because of the waves is so strong.
The current.
The current is so strong, it kind of like brings the sand up and it makes the vision a bit blurry. Like you really can't see that much.
But you can, when you're at the shipwreck,
Yeah.
you can see it.
But it's not like super clear, but you can still see it and it's still amazing. Like the corals are amazing, there's so many fishes, but there are quite a lot of people. So if you're gonna go and snorkel at the shipwreck, I'd go early in the morning where there's hardly anyone there.
Was anyone with you just then?
Yeah, there's loads.
Oh really?
There's like a group tour. But anyway guys, we're now heading to the village. There's actually a village here. We haven't been, we were meant to go yesterday but we just didn't have enough time. So we're gonna go now, and apparently there's also a sari store, like a little convenience store on this little tiny island.
Apparently there's a really nice section with lots of coconut trees.
Yes.
And also there's a few other beaches as we walk around, so that'll be nice.
Nice. And this beach, it looks absolutely amazing on the drone. Whew. Alright, so we have arrived at the village. It looks so beautiful. Like, look at all these palm trees just all lined up. Oh my god.
They're like perfect. There's like hundreds of them.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's all like perfect distance, no?
And then like just on the beach, they're all slightly slanted.
Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many.
At saka isa ito,
Yes, but may Coke Zero kaya?
sakpan.
Malamig? Pwede dalawa?
Yeah, two.
Dalawa? Oof. Tsaka isang ano po. Oh, yun, may sito pa kayo. May sito din. Wala. Wala na
Oh,
din.
there's normal Coke here.
Ah, sige, normal Coke na lang ito, yung original. Alright, so we have got the goods. There is actually food that you can order at Isla Experience. They can get you like French fries, dynamite. What else is in there? But we just wanted crepes. We just wanted some snacks today. So we walked here to the village. They've got a very nice community, don't you think? Yeah,
It's a
quite
cute little village.
quite a big community, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
You are so greedy, you are. Yeah, you.
This place is honestly paradise. It's so nice to just be somewhere so calm and so remote. It's so peaceful compared to main El Nido. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so nice to have the wind in your face, the sand in between our
Basically
toes.
the island life, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
And
honestly
like-
amazing.
During the night as well, there's also entertainment. There's fire dances. You can do some karaoke.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Bonfire.
And it's
Oh.
all solar panelled too,
Yeah.
so it's perfect. The sand here is super soft, really fine. And the water is just so blue.
It's different. It's not like crystal clear, like.
But it's blue.
But it's blue.
Yeah. It's like when I picture an island, like this is the kind of thing that comes into my head, like this exact island. It's got everything. It's got the rocks, it's got the sand, the
got the
coconut
trees.
trees, the water. It's honestly got everything. Like look at this palm tree here. Nice.
Ah, guys, this is the life. Like there's so many hammocks. There's 1, 2 here, and then on the other side there's another 4. And then there's like a little bird nest where you can sit on and chill. Oh, paradise.
So despite this being a remote island, the toilets and showers are actually very, very decent. Like if you remember the Balabak videos when we were in Onuk, which is another remote island, we had to get water from a well and then use a tabor in like this open hut, like you can even undress. So that was very remote. And despite this also being remote and very simple, we have got actually very decent toilets. So here we go, we've got the tabot as well if you need it. Then if we go around here, we have the sink and mirror. There we are. Hi guys, welcome to my guys. And then we have the showers, which are again brilliant, and they're up on the wall as well, so perfect. There's 3 of them here. And then around the island there's like several of these blocks, so there's quite a lot of toilets and showers actually, which is good because there's, if this was full, there's quite a lot of guests. I just think it's so cool to come away and be in simple, like live a little bit simpler sometimes. It's just been perfect. And there's also an outdoor shower right by the beach, which is also so nice. And actually it's not even that cold because the sun heats it up, which is brilliant. But yeah, this island has just been insane. So beautiful.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wait.
So this beach hut is actually made out of bamboos and dried nipple leaves as its roof. Like, look at that, you can see the bamboo just bending to make this
Yeah.
arch here, which is so cool, right?
It's true,
Did
like,
you
the
know
way
that
it
bamboos
arches.
can like bend?
To be fair, they are very long.
Yeah, and they're like, I think in the Philippines they use bamboo a lot. like even on boats and everything. And then to hold this hut here, there's like loads of the bamboo sticks like stuck to the
Stilts.
ground and turned into stilts basically.
And look at the like design here, guys. Like it's very intricate.
Yeah.
It looks
It's
amazing.
unique, right?
Yeah, and we've got like the glass bottles, which is like typical movie scenes where you got the glass bottles on the islands, and then the view is just insane. Look at that. So this is like I'd say this is a luxury Bahay Kubo,
Yeah.
because because of the design, the view, the beach, it's just
The location.
so good. Yeah, and all these different huts have different names. I'm not sure what our one's called. Ours is written on a leaf.
Yeah.
Go find out.
Let's show you. Let's go.
Find out. Some of them have like wooden signs, like there's Cebu, there's El Nido, there's even a Balabac one. Ours is called
Our one is called Kagbule. Is that a place? Kagbule?
I don't know, but all the other ones are places, so it must be a place.
Must be a place.
Maybe that's the sign. Maybe we should check it out. Wait, take a picture of it and we'll see.
So our time here at Isla Experience is coming to an end. We had such an amazing time
Yeah.
here.
It's been amazing to just be like secluded, away from the hustle and bustle of El Nido town, and to just really be in the moment as well,
Yeah.
and just be surrounded by such nature. And I just feel like this is like
The
perfect, you know?
Because unfortunately we couldn't play with the pigs today because the owner actually isn't here. So normally the pigs, they take it to the beach,
Yeah.
literally right on the beach, and then you can get pictures with it, you can cuddle with the pigs.
Cuddle the pigs. But we definitely recommend, if you're wanting to do this experience, I think 2 to 3 nights would be perfect.
Yeah.
1 night isn't long enough. We were supposed to be staying 2, but we forgot that we had a tour booked and we need to be back in El Nido
Yeah, so
town.
keep an eye out on that.
But yeah, this has been amazing, honestly. Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Really blue water, quite a lot of activities, entertainment in the evenings, really good food.
Amazing staff as well.
The
like,
food has been incredible.
Yeah, the chicken skewers, oh my god.
Oh, it's so good.
Ooh.
So good. There's a bar, restaurant,
You can get
kayaking,
cocktails, yeah.
massage.
You can even get a massage, guys.
Yeah.
700 pesos for an hour.
Inday is the masseuse.
But anyway, we're gonna end the video there. So make sure to like,
Share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below,
and press that notification bell on.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.